Welcome to this class about BIZUIT Designer execution. We will go to our installation directory, which is, by default, C program files, Tycan SA, BIZUIT Designer 4, and we will run the Tycan BIZUIT Designer file. Now, we are going to connect to the server where our BIZUIT server is located, which in our case is https test.bizuit.com /course BIZUIT server /service.svc. And the credentials are, by default, user, admin, and password, admin123. Remember that these credentials may vary depending on the environment and will be sent to you. Let's remember the credential for the next login. An update check is performed. If there are any new updates, it will inform us. And now yes, we can go to our BPMN mode to build our first process.